How's it going, everybody? James here, OnlineCarShow. Got a new mod today that won't break the bank. We've got these T10 LED bulbs. I was contacted by a company called SMAUTOP. These are only $8 or $9. You get a pack of 10 of them, which is more than enough to complete your side markers and your license plate frame on the Camaro or Corvette or whatever car you have. It's a great deal. So I'm going to do a quick install in this video and let y'all know what I think. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe, and without hesitation, let's get started. All right, everybody, just a real quick unpackaging. There ain't much to this. The biggest reason I wanted to do it, I always like it when you buy something from Amazon or whatnot, they send you a nice little thank you card. It says on here, "Dear customer, thanks for your order and wish you will completely be satisfied with our product after you used it. Please let us know if there are any issues, questions, or concerns. Our customer service team is standing by to assist you." So, it's got their contact info, a phone number, or Amazon shop. So just a nice little touch. I always like to throw that in when companies do that. For the bad part, it is made in China, but I don't think there's many LEDs that are actually made here for a decent price. So that's just kind of the way it is. Got our LEDs here. Now, when we're going through installing these, if you have any issues with them where they won't turn on, all you want to do is take them out, twist them 180 degrees, plug them back in, and then try. That'll usually fix any problem you have. I'm not sure if the side markers are set up like that. I know the trunk bulb, once you get into that, it will give you that issue. But these seem to be really good quality. If you can see them here, we've got, 4 bulbs going around and 1 bulb on top. These are the cool white color is what I went with. He did have multiple choices as far as what color of white, and I think there was even some colors there. So, be sure to check that out and see all the options before you pick one. I went with cool white just because it gives it a nice effect over the yellowish color. You can't beat that. So let's get them on the car. All right, for this first step, you're going to want to reach in here. There's a little flap or air vent that'll allow you to get access to one of the clips. We're going to push it out. And I don't see how we're going to get access to the other. So let's see. Push up on the bottom. So what we're going to have to do, it looks like, is turn the steering wheel inward or toward this way so we can get access and undo a couple of screws here. That top flap is not going to come out like I thought. So it is going to take a Torx screw, at least one, it looks 2 possibly right here. And the plan is we're going to pull this back just enough to push on that flap and release it. All right. Alright, not sure what happened to the video I shot, but so I'm having to shoot this after the fact. Sorry about that. But basically what I did, I turned my wheel in. To access the top, you're going to have 2 tabs on each of these side markers. To access the top one, I unscrewed this Torx screw right here, this Torx screw right here, and all I had to do was just pull it back enough to push down on that tab, pull it out. The bottom one you can easily access through this vent hole here on the side of the Camaro. So you just push it up. As you can see, it pops right out. So that's how I accessed it. You pull it out, you're going to twist off the bulb. Make sure you clean your housing really good. Since you've got the light off, it's a good opportunity to do that. So there you have it. All right, now the back one here is going to get a little interesting. What you're going to find in people with larger arms and stuff, you aren't going to be able to probably do this. You're going to want to get your kid involved or somebody with thinner arms. There's a plate back here you're going to find. You hear that aluminum plate here? Between, I guess, the exhaust pipes, kind of where if you have NPP, it's right in front of that.
Well, that plate between the axle and that plate, so closest to the tire on the plate, you're going to reach up and you're going to be able to put your forearm all the way in there. I can feel it here. Let's see if I can find the tabs. I think I feel it. Top one. And this was different than I saw in any other video that did this, because I did go out and look at some other ones out there, but I wanted to do it myself. I know that you can actually pull back this area right here, access the top, pull it out, and then we'll go underneath that same plate. Well, where is it now? Hey, somewhere. Okay, I feel a wire. Got to be here close. Oh, why did I just lose it? There's like another wire, NPP or something. It's right there. It is, right next to it. All right. So we got this out. You all saw what I did in the front. We're going to repeat the same process back here. Clean the area, untwist this, pop on our bulb, and I'll show you all the test. Cleaned them up, tested, put them back in. Seem to look great. There you have it, back LED. Now I'm going to show you all the license plate lights next. All right, for the back tail lights, or the back license plate lights, excuse me, I keep calling them tail lights. You're going to see your tail light here, and you're going to have a little tab that's right there. All you're going to do is get a screwdriver in there, very carefully now, because you're by your paint, and you're going to pull that tab back, and you're going to pull this whole unit down. As you can see, it is kind of fun sometimes. I'm gonna have to put the camera down, but oh, there we go. Last time's a charm, huh? So we've got it out. All you're gonna do, same process here. Twist, pull. There we go. You can see my old LED bulb that didn't working. That's not from these guys. You can see on this LED, and this shows you how much better the LEDs are from this company, SMAUTOP. On my old LED bulb that I had in there, look at this, it only has one or whatever connector on each side. These new ones have two. It's just something a little extra, go a little, you know, the extra mile. Plus it does seem like they're a little longer. So let's get they're working. All right, I guess we need the actual lights on. Give me 1 second. And we got one, the other one working. Not one, but not the other one working. So we're going to take that one out. Probably just have a connection that's not right, and let's see what's going on. Just had a connection that was bad, so that's all it was. Once I took it out, put it back in, it lit right up. So I must just double check your little whatever they call them, the little forks or whatever that go into the connections. Make sure they're lined up. They look really good in the car. Again, this is coal white, and I'm going to give you all a before and after shot here in a minute. All right, just to give you a shot here, this is the before lights. Here's the back. Biggest improvement was on the front yellow ones though, with the way the cool white works. And we'll go across here to the after. I don't know if you can tell, but that is, I don't know how many times brighter, but way brighter. A little bit better light color than that ugly yellow you get from the incandescent bulbs. See the cool white bulbs there. Doesn't really make the license plate brighter. Those worried about, you know, making your plate brighter. It's just going to make it more of a true white color with the cool white bulbs. Again, here's the before, and I'm going to try to put a picture side by side at the end of this video for you guys and gals. And there's the after. Alright, thanks for watching my videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got a bunch of stuff coming up this week. We've got the Musclepalooza car show on the horizon, and I've also got the ceramic coating video or review coming up, and excited about doing that one. So y'all be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a great week. Try to stay warm. It's cold in Houston again. Thanks, guys.